Hey, what's up guys? Average Tech Guy here, and I'm back today with another video. This time we're going to be looking at this. This is from IMX-PW Nonsera. Let's get it open. Let's get it on the MacBook Pro. Let's check out what it can do. So as I mentioned, this is from Nonsera. It's IMX-PW. You can find this on the Amazon store. Get all this out. We get a neat carrying case. This is like a little leather carrying case. Has a button on it. Snap shut. Now it is a little rigid when you first get it. I'm sure you got to break it in just like any leather product. But you bear that IMX-PW branding right there on the front. And you can just carry this in your backpack, in your purse, in your pocket, anywhere you need it to be. Now that we talked about that, we're going to put that to the side and we're going to focus on this right here. This is a 2 Type-C hub, 3.0 USB, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB-C, USB-C, HDMI, and this is a power pass-through right here. As you get rid of 2 of the USB Type-C ports on your MacBook Pro, because it comes with 2 on each side, you're going to get rid of 2, but you're going to gain 2 right here on this device. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ports on this one device. Let's get it plugged in and see what it can do. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this and I'm going to snap it on to the side. Just like so. Using these 2 USB Type-C plug-ins. Pop it right in. Make sure it's nice and flush. And then what you're going to do is you're going to look for this light right here on the side. That light lets you know that you now have power going to this USB Type-C hub. So here I have a Logitech mouse. This is a silent mouse. I'm going to take the USB adapter out. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this adapter and I'm going to plug it in over here. Once we get it plugged in, right away we can see that we have a mouse on the screen. We have a pointer right there. If you can see it moving, little black pointer. We got it right there. We're good to go. USB number 1 is working. USB number 2. That one is a go as well. So we can see that our mouse is good. USB 3.0s work really well. Next thing we want to do is we want to try out the USB Type-C ports. So I have a hard drive right here that's USB-C to C. I'm going to plug this in right here on the side. And let's wait and see if it comes up on the screen. There we go. Popped up right here. Double click on it and we can open it. We can go through the files. Everything is right there that we're going to need. So there's a go. I'm going to eject it and plug it in to the next one just to make sure that it works. And there we go. If you look right up here, we got it. It showed up again. Perfect. So everything works. Everything is a go for the USB Type-C connectors. But not least, I want to connect the HDMI right here to the side. And then I'm going to activate. There we go. Okay, so got the mouse. It's on the screen. I got the screen mirrored. We are good to go. So there we go. HDMI port works. So now we have HDMI, we have USB Type-C and 3.0 all hooked up together. All working at the same time, all through this IMX-PW USB Type-C Smart Hub. So there you have it guys. 7 different plugs all going through these 2 USB Type-C adapters. You can go pick this up on Amazon. I'll be sure and leave a link below so that you can go grab one of these. But remember, by the Nonsera company, IMX-PW, this is a USB Type-C Smart Hub that gives you 7 in 1. Hope this is able to help someone. Until next time, please subscribe. Please give me that thumbs up. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.